FOGO is our friend. This bin is going to change what we are collecting in landfill. That's our biggest problem. Landfill is not our friend. Because once you get this bin, you need to start putting anything organic into this. Therefore, we've sought out the rubbish at the household level.
38,000 households are diverting their waste in green bins like this. If this was your red bin at home, we expect that about this much of the red bin is food and garden waste that can now go in the green bin. That material being processed through our facility is an improvement for the environment, and it's also a saving for our councils and our people.
It's making it easier on everybody because it's going to make it easier for the future of our kids. We're future-proofing Tasmania.